What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Old Guy Hobbies. Just wanted to do a quick little video. Picked up a new product from HobbyWing. This is the Quicrun Fusion 800 kV, 1800 kV crawler ESC combo. Been kind of keeping an eye on these since I first heard about them coming out. I hear they're pretty good. I am going to be using this in my BRX01 project. It is, boy, that's in there tight. I've heard a lot of good things about them. I know some people don't like them, but good grief. If I can get it out of the package. Oh, there we go. Well, I got it in there. I should be able to get it out of there. Good grief. Alright. If you haven't heard about these, this is a brushless motor and an ESC all in one. As you can see, a little bit long there. This is a regular 540 can motor. This is my motor. You can see the difference in the length of it. So basically from here to here is motor, and this is the electronic speed controller on the back. If you've got a vehicle that's really scale and you're tight for space on your battery and your receiver and speed controller and everything else, I think this is a pretty good solution. Like I said, I'm going to be putting it in my Boom Racing BRX01. It does come with a programmer. With a programmer, so you can program the ESC. I believe there are nine different programmable features. Throttle matching, number of LiPo cells, cutoff voltage, thermal protection cutoff, motor rotation, clockwise, counterclockwise. BEC voltage can be changed from 6 volts to 7.4 volts. Drag brake force, you have 8 different settings, it looks like. Setting 1 is disabled. Then you have 8. Disabled is 1, and then you have 8 different settings. Doesn't give you really a percentage readout or anything. And drag brake rate, you have 9 different settings. And then the max reverse force, or how much throttle you get in reverse, you have 4 settings: 25, 50, 75, and 100%. So pretty nice as far as programmable features. And we've got a couple little extension cables. It does have the ST60 plug on it. Now the one I initially seen had very short leads on it. But this one, they seem to have extended them quite a bit from the original one that I seen. Took me a while to find these in stock. I ordered it from A-Main. Pretty nice. I mean, it's heavy. But it appears to be, good quality. HobbyWing has a pretty good reputation. Everything I've seen. Yeah, I'd be curious to get inside of it and see how everything is put together, but I really don't want to do that. But yeah, we're going to put that in the BRX-01. That's going to save a little bit of space with the full interior and everything. You kind of crunched on room. And I've seen pictures of this in there. It looks like it fits right in there. But I picked up 2 of them. The second one I'm going to try to put in the Tamiya CC02 G500 kit, if it'll fit. I haven't seen yet anybody put one in that. I may do another Google search and see if anybody's tried it in that. I know the CC02 kit gives you the option of laying the servo down or standing it up. With it standing up, there may be enough room for this. We'll have to see. But I mean, this is not a, it's not a high-speed motor. It's, it's a crawler motor. It says brushless system for a crawler on it. 1800 kV, you're not going to get a lot of speed out of it. Don't know about the torque. I hadn't heard anybody really comment on the kind of torque that they have, but we'll find out. I think for the CC02 and for the BRX-01, especially the BRX-01 being a really scale truck, you don't want really high speeds out of it anyway. CC02, you may get 10 to 12 miles an hour out of it, with depending on, I know you have 2 different gear ratios you can put in the CC02, and depending on the gear ratio you put in it, you're probably looking at around 10, 12 miles an hour maybe. But yeah, we're gonna check it out, see how they do. Got a huge instruction book with it. Features. See if we can get this thing opened up here. There we go. Alright. Specifications. Programmable items instructions. Power on, power off tones, parameter setting methods, factory reset, automatic motor pairing, and troubleshooting, and then the same thing in a different language. Plenty of information. I don't know, I just thought it'd be an interesting thing to try. I like checking out new technologies, and I mean, this hobby's changed so much since I originally started back in 1984-ish. But that's a whole different discussion. But yeah, I mean, I think this is going to be a pretty good little deal for the BRX-01 at least. Which, still planning that. Hope to get started on it here before too long. I did also order the first ever that I've ever had, a Savix servo. Now this is a short servo, half height servo, and that is for something special that we'll get into later. But anyway, just wanted to go over this real quick. Like I said, if it works as good as it looks, it'll be the thing to have. I do like their on-off button. I think that's basically the same one that comes with any HobbyWing ESC. But compact, Anyway, yeah, like I said, we'll be putting this in the BRX-01, and if it'll fit, in the CC02, and we'll get them checked out and see if they're any good, which I hear they are. So we'll find out. Till next time, later.